Welcome to our beginner's guide to options trading. If you're interested in exploring options trading but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, including the basics of options trading, popular strategies, and risk management techniques. Options trading can be a complex and challenging way to invest in the stock market, but it can also provide opportunities for significant returns and portfolio diversification. At its core, options trading involves buying or selling the right to buy or sell a specific stock at a particular price, known as the strike price, on or before a specific date. The two main types of options are called call options, which give the buyer the right to buy a stock, and put options, which provide the buyer with the right to sell a stock. There are many different strategies that options traders can use to achieve their investment goals. These include buying and selling options contracts, selling covered calls, and trading volatility. Risk management is also critical to successful options trading, as options can be a high-risk investment with the potential for significant losses. If you're interested in exploring options trading, it's essential to do your research and seek out educational resources to help you navigate this complex investment strategy. That's all for this video on options trading for beginners. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, options trading can be a powerful tool for diversifying your investment portfolio and potentially generating greater returns. But it's essential to approach it with caution and thorough research. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.